gentlemen sitting here on my left and your right have been very kind enough to take off time from their busy schedules, and needless to say you guys too. A wonderful audience, a very receptive audience. I have not been sitting here, I was right behind observing because I'm one of you. The reason I make this statement is very simple. We are all users, right? We are all service providers, integrators, giving solutions. But I have something in addition to all of that. I also develop. We are the developers of content security and antivirus solutions. And the theme given by VAR is the key trends driving business innovation. These gentlemen sitting here have touched upon wonderful topics from their fields, from their experience. And the eminent speakers who came in earlier before me, they touched upon certain aspects from their perspective. Like the gentleman sitting here, Tushar from D-Link, Chetan from HP. So what is it that I am here to offer? According to you, what is it that is driving IT or information technology today? Anybody? Or what do you desire in to have that kind of solution in place? Just a little input. Being service providers, what is it? Yeah? Apart from the revenue generation, needless to say. Ease of management, selling of services, maximizing on all aspects, customer base, serving well, and needless to say, the core revenue generation. So what I'm going to do is share with you something what we've innovated, what we've done for people like you and me, our community as such. What is it? I will explain. The world's mightiest empires need great walls to secure their assets. Agree, disagree? Right? China is spending more than 104 billion. We are not far behind it, needless to say. This is what we've got to offer for you. We are in different varied fields, helping different customers, different segments, being the home SOHO, so-called, the SMB segment, the corporate enterprise, as well as the ISPs. So why eScan is getting into this mold? Why this managed services? The reasons are right away listed here. More than 14.8 billion till 2015. That's a huge market, isn't it? A security service in place, selling of services which you and I are into day in and day out, serving our customers, managing their security, cloud-based solution which we all are looking forward to, and needless to say, the one that I have highlighted in red, more revenue generation. What we've done at eScan is a very simple little concept. We host or have this solution in the cloud, and through this cloud you can manage all your customers, be it a home segment customer, a SMB segment customer, a corporate or an enterprise one. The flow is very simple. You host it on a main super console kind of thing and manage your customers that are there worldwide through that one console. You can have granular control right from deploying tasks, the policies, etc. So what is it that we deliver within this solution? Something very important for all of us. Controlling security of multiple customers by accessing or available through a single console. Centralized console, needless to say. Customizable tasks for different customers. One customer would require a certain set of policies to be deployed or certain tasks to be deployed. We can differentiate per customer base. Ease to use, secure traffic, everything is secured, everything goes through a secure tunnel so called. Reporting, needless to say, we support the major formats Excel, PDF, HTML, CSV, etc. License usage information as well, through which you can monitor and control the licenses being deployed. If a user pays it, you enable it. If not, you pull back. Outbreak alerts in terms of outbreak infection so called. Remote management is also possible because it is a browser based, a web based solution. You can access the console from any given point of time from anywhere throughout the world. You need not be in the office to access it. Software and hardware inventory control also is possible. Any software and hardware changes happening on the systems anywhere throughout the world, that can be controlled from this console itself. Identifying and selling opportunities for you and me for newer products and services that are going to be added on. In addition to all this, you can also have an event management kind of thing. What I mean by this is very simple. You can track all the events that are happening and manage them sitting on the console. You need not go anywhere. A little glimpse of what it is. The customers management. You can have a hierarchy kind of thing, a tree defined. For each user or each corporate, you can define what all users are defined there within each, what you can do, deploy groups, define groups within as subgroups so called, pull in and pull out the clients, etc. Little information of how it actually looks like, and you get statistics to the granular level as to what has happened on which system, etc. Here comes the main point. The return on investment or ROI. You can have a granular control, as I said earlier, wherein you can actually concentrate which customer of yours is facing a problem. In case if there is any infection in some customer A site, you can actually focus more on those customers, whereas there could be less amount of concentration done on systems that are not infected or excuse me, or not infectious as such. Furthermore, you can have a license management in place. As I mentioned earlier, if a user pays, only the license will work or the software would work, not otherwise. So you can have a license management system also using this dashboard. Events and computers gives you information on what activity is happening in your network on the systems and what each user or each corporate user customer of yours, so called the end user or the end customer, is doing within their network that is set up. This gives you a synopsis of the deployments that have happened that you've done using this console, through which you can control, manage everything that is happening on the end user customer level. This was just a glimpse to give you of what we have actually rolled out. We can customize this further based on your requirements too. What I mean by that is very simple. In case if there is any customization that needs to be done in addition to what we are offering today, we are open to that. Needless to say, securing endpoints in networks, the trick does not lie in what weapons you and I have, but in putting them to effective use. Agree? Through eScan, the main point, serving and getting good revenues for ourselves. You can save money on the technical support using this particular module, that is managed service provider module. Reducing problem response time, increase compatibility. Furthermore, you can save save money on the other softwares that would have generally been deployed in order to manage and control. Increase productivity, no downtime as such, reduce downtime as I mentioned, and your business continues. Our core is delivering complete solutions through revolutionary technologies, modules, features and functions, and free round the clock online support available from our side. This is a short presentation that I had just to give you a glimpse of where and how we are heading to and the innovations being done within our field to help you as well as us to grow together. Thank you very much.